Welcome everybody to this daily analysis on Monday, 24th of April for gold and GJ. Let's go ahead quickly from a monthly perspective. Monthly, we can see that now is rejecting that level. We have 4 days left on this monthly candle. Previous week closed bearish and then continued this bearish momentum. I anticipate a continuation to till 1950s, which will potentially make a week or a doji monthly candle closure. Daily closed below these levels of support that I had marked in here, and if as soon as we break this low, we will look for sells in continuation to a downside. On the 4 hours perspective, we have a support right over here, and then we have a resistance right over here, but maybe we keep here as resistance. So we have two areas of clean traffic is right over here, which we can mirror to the upside, and then we have right over here, which we can mirror to the upside. Here is the downside, sorry. Then so now we wait for a clean candle closure below here to take sells, and then that should be very straightforward. We need a closure below 1977 to take clean sells, and we need a closure above 1988 to take buys, which is 100 pips from now. So buys are not very in a big favor as of now. So yeah, we have this 1 hour candle close below this support right over here, most recent support on a 1 hour candle. So on a 1 hour time frame, not 1 hour candle, we close below here, so we can pop in here, and if we flip, this is perfect opening to the upside, making a wick to the upside. If we flip, we can see a continuation and a wick fill to the downside for around 40 pips. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute is also very nice. Let's see the 15-minute, just in case. 15-minute is a bit tricky, but yeah, which better sells would be these are high risk sells for here to take the bottom of the range, because we can get a bit higher and then correct the whole move. But overall, I see price moving to the downside. After this momentum, we tap this resistance here, we confirm it 2 times as resistance, and then we move very strongly. But now, now I see the time that is 4 p.m. So it's 10 a.m. Eastern. It's not very high volume time, so I don't think we will get a closure below here. If we get a closure, that would be amazing. A closure below here would mean a sell till here, which is a 200 pip area, which is much easier to get that. Also, like now, it makes sense for 1 hour candle to continue to the downside. 4 hour candle also has 3 more hours to close. It can have a very nice momentum to the downside, but yeah, it's risky. It's inside this big range here, so. But we close below here. Technically, we should move to a downside, but only half risk on this trade. Full risk below this key level right over here. For GJ, let's go ahead and made on the 4 hour. Why we have this? Yeah, okay. We have these drawings. Let's keep to the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame is very strong on GJ, so potentially we will. Weekly is also very strong, so we should look for buys. Daily is also broke the highs. This was the perfect buy here. As soon as we break the highs to retest this high made. 4 hour also had a very nice move to the upside, but now we are approaching this resistance, so I'm not sure how good of a trade can this be. Buys above here makes sense. We have a nice clean traffic to the upside, but yeah, very high low volume time. I'm not sure we're gonna get that, so I don't think we will get any trade, but technically we should look for sells below this closure. Below here we can come bottom of the range every time we break this, except from here we tapped, here we just broke here, and then as soon as we break again we tap here. So potentially we can do the same for the upside. Here we get a closure, we can go to the upside, but because we have a low volume and the volume, like it's late in the day today, maybe we can get just a break above and then come back inside the range to retest this range. This is something that I would look, but obviously we need a lot of confirmation for this to happen. So yeah, these are the scenarios. Scenario 1 is break above, close above, break the highs for buys. Scenario 2 is break above, came back, close inside the range, broke the lows of the inside the range closure candle, retest the low, or break below here, close below, break the lows to take the sells. That's something that I will be looking for today. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel, and I see you guys on daily roundup video tonight to see which of these setups actually played out. Thank you and bye bye.